In this video, we will be solving two-digit addition facts using the break-apart strategy and partial sums. Using the break-apart strategy, students will break apart two-digit numbers to add by place value. In the example shown, 37 can be broken apart into 3 tens plus 7 ones, and 57 can be broken apart into 5 tens plus 7 ones. 30 plus 50 is equal to 80, and 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Because there are more than 10 ones, this partial sum can also be broken apart into tens and ones. 14 can be broken apart into 1 10 and 4 ones. This gives you a total of 9 tens and 4 ones for a complete sum of 94. With the partial sum strategy, students mentally add the tens and ones. Students think about the values of the digits and then add the values for each place value together. In the example shown, a student would think 50 plus 20 is equal to 70 and record the 70. When adding the ones, the student thinks 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 and record the 13. Finally, students add all of the partial sums together to find the total sum of 83.